Hi everyone, welcome to Elevate Mindset with another video. Hope you are enjoying. Like and subscribe for more video. Thank you. Every human being carries two voices inside. One says, keep going. The other whispers, it's okay to stop. That whisper, that quiet, comfortable voice, is a weakness that lives inside all of us. It tells you to play it safe, to take it slow, to stay in the comfort zone. But understand this, comfort is where dreams die. When you wake up every morning, you don't face the world first, you face yourself. The fear, the doubt, the hesitation, they all come from within. The world outside doesn't stop you, your weakness does. And if you let that weakness win today, it'll come back stronger tomorrow. So before you fight anyone else, fight the part of you that wants to give up. Every time you say no to your excuses, you build a stronger version of yourself. That's where real power begins, inside your own mind. Comfort feels peaceful, doesn't it? It wraps around you like a blanket and tells you you're doing fine. But it's a lie, a sweet, slow poison. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you surrender a piece of your potential. You trade tomorrow's greatness for today's ease. Weakness doesn't attack with force. It seduces you with softness. It says, rest a little longer. You've done enough. You can do it later. But later never comes. Later becomes never. And you don't even realize when the fire inside starts to fade. The strongest people in the world aren't comfortable. They are constantly uncomfortable. They choose discipline when their body wants rest. They choose progress when their mind wants peace. Growth and comfort never live in the same place. You have to pick one. Weakness doesn't come as fear. It comes as reason. It convinces you that your goals are unrealistic, that you're too late, too tired, too unprepared. It dresses up as logic, but it's deception. It doesn't want you to fail. It wants you to settle. Every excuse you accept becomes a brick in the wall between you and your destiny. And one day, that wall becomes so tall you forget what's on the other side. You forget who you could have been. The truth is simple. You can't negotiate with weakness. You can only destroy it. When that voice inside say you can't, respond, watch me. Because weakness can't survive in the mind of someone who refuses to quit. Discipline is the weapon that kills weakness. It's not glamorous. It's not loud. It's doing what needs to be done, especially when you don't feel like it. Discipline is a bridge between who you are and who you're meant to be. The body will scream, stop. The mind will beg, take a break. But that's when you keep going. Because every time you push past the point of comfort, you step into strength. That's where transformation lives. Not in the easy days, but in the moments you refuse to surrender. Weakness is loud in the beginning. Discipline is silent. But in the end, only one will remain. There comes a point when you've got nothing left, when every muscle aches, every thought screams, why am I doing this? That's the breaking point. Most people stop there, but not you. You don't stop. You rise. Because pain isn't your enemy. It's proof you're still fighting. Weakness dies in those moments. It hates pain. It hates struggle. But you were born for it. You were built to take hits and still keep walking. That's what separates winners from the rest. Not strength, not skill, but endurance. When you break and rebuild, you become untouchable. That's when weakness realizes it picked the wrong person to mess with. Look in the mirror. Do you like what you see? Not your face, not your body, your reflection. The person staring back at you knows the truth. You can lie to the world, but not to yourself. You know when you've given less than your best. You know when you've let weakness win. The mirror doesn't care about your excuses. It reflects reality. Who you are today, built by every choice you made yesterday. So ask yourself, are you proud of the person in front of you? If not, fix it. Don't wait for tomorrow. The war is fought right now, in this second. The mirror can be your greatest enemy or your greatest motivator. It depends on whether you face it with honesty or denial. To grow, you must destroy the old you, the lazy you, the fearful you, the doubtful you. That version of yourself has to die so the stronger you can rise. It's not easy letting go. Change feels like pain because it is pain, the pain of rebirth. The weak version of you loves comfort, avoids risk, and hides from truth. The new version doesn't beg for motivation. It creates it. It doesn't talk about goals. It lives them. You can't carry both selves into your future. One must go. So burn the bridge to your old habits. Watch it turn to ash. Then walk forward and don't look back. Strength demands sacrifice. It costs you your comfort, your free time, your sleep. But weakness costs you everything. Your potential, your pride, your dreams. Which price would you rather pay? Because either way, you're going to pay. Greatness isn't earned once. It's earned daily. Through discipline, through failure, through relentless consistency. Weakness can't survive that. It only lives where effort ends. So keep going when no one claps for you, when no one believes in you. That's where champions are born. The world rewards a few who refuse to give in, those who turn pain into progress and struggle into strength. There will come a day when you realize, all this time, you weren't fighting life. You were fighting yourself. And now, you've won. The silence inside becomes powerful, not empty. The fire burns steady, not wild. That's a moment of awakening. Weakness no longer controls you. It still whispers, but its words don't matter. Because now, you know who you are. You've been through the storm, through the fire, through the nights of doubt, and you're still here. Stronger, sharper, unshakable. That's what true strength looks like. Not loud, not arrogant, but calm, focused, unbreakable. Once you destroy your weakness, nothing outside can destroy you. You'll still face problems, but you'll face them differently, with courage, clarity, and control. Weakness no longer defines your choices. Strength does. You become unstoppable because you've mastered the hardest battle, the one within. The world fears people like that. People who don't quit. People who smile through pain. People who don't need applause to keep going. That's who you're becoming, the unbreakable version of yourself. So remember these words. If you don't destroy your weakness, it will destroy you. But once you do, there's nothing left that can stop you.